back again. This is Halloween project number 3. And it's gonna get scary. Thought I would just use a little bit of sparkly to jazz up the black a bit. And then just pour your resin all around the edge. I've got shaky hands, so it doesn't quite go neatly. And just fill it all the way up to that first layer. And your usual, the bubbling and all that good stuff. Yeah, so now that you've disturbed all the resin, you've got to push it all back in again. But this does guarantee that you get a good result with no bubbles. Moving the resin around. Quick clean up with a wet wipe. Oh, this is where the scary comes in. Yeah, I wanted to do a tray and I thought, well, what can I do with a tray? Since we're doing Halloween, I've got to keep it on theme. And I was looking about and I saw these stickers. And I thought, yes, let's do scary spiders. Yeah, using the pin, because if you get some air bubbles in there, you can gently just pierce the tattoo with a pin and then dab it down. It gets the air out, but do it gently. Putting all my beauties on, coming together nicely. It's getting scarier. So at this point I just sort of put my spiders in however I thought they would look best. Mostly going sort of through the middle. Turned out okay. So multitasking. Then mixing up some more resin and using something that's new to me. I have never used glow in the dark mica. I don't know why, because I have been doing resin for a while now, and I've never used glow in the dark, but being Halloween I thought, yeah, let's do it. And when I first did this I thought, well, this is mica powder. It goes in the resin like any other mica powder. But I don't know if it's this particular brand, but it took absolutely forever to mix in. I had to keep squishing it up the sides to get the powder put in the resin. So take your time. Make sure you haven't got any lumps in there. And this was very strange too. The way the resin comes out looking like this. I thought, okay, I'm pretty sure I'm doing it right. But there was a moment or two when I thought, am I? But yeah, as I say, I've never used this glow in the dark before, and I didn't know it would be this transparent, but all is well. So yeah, and then just top it up to the top layer. And as it was curing, the resin was going a funny sort of opaque colour. Interesting. Unmoulding day. Yay, something we all look forward to. Spiders, are you ready for this? Oh no, you're never going to believe this. They've all escaped. It's okay, everybody, don't panic. I managed to catch them all. And they're once again encased in resin, so we're all safe. And if you want this to get even more creepy, they glow in the dark. Very spooky. I almost scared myself. Hey guys, so that was Halloween project number 3. Was it creepy enough for you? Yeah, I thought I'd just play a little joke on you. My motto is always have fun, so I played that little joke on you. I hope it didn't creep you out too much, because even though I did that, I am not a fan of spiders. Small ones, yeah, I can take small ones, but big ones, no. I'm out of the room. My husband usually has to deal with them, so, and he's not a fan of spiders either, so he's very brave. I hope you did enjoy that, and I'll probably do one more for Halloween. And if you did like my video, if you would subscribe and like and hit that notification bell so you can see my next Halloween project, I would appreciate it. Thank you very much for watching, and I will be here same time, same place next week. I hope you'll join me. Bye for now.